The house has a washer dryer which is located in the downstairs utility area here. And in terms of settings, the first thing you need to do is to switch the on-off button here, and that will then light up. And you can see the dial has various options ranging 1 through to 16, and these correspond with the display here. So if you wanted to use, say for example, mixed colour number 1, you would then turn the dial to number 1 here, and then that would show you the time it would take here. Simply put it on the correct setting that you want to choose depending on your items, put your items in, and put your dishwasher tablets in here. There is 2 kept here, so simply pop those in the box there, close that, and then press start, and the program will run for the allotted time. If you want to use the dryer mode, then numbers 4 and 5 do wash and dry, or just to use a dry only, you have options 15 and 16, which just do dry cotton or dry synthetics, and then you would press the start button, and then away you go. That would then run the program until it finishes. When it finishes, simply open the door, obviously it's running now, and then take your items out. And that's it. Thank you.